Why your home still doesn't feel cozy. Your home is keeping you stressed and you don't even notice it anymore. You bought the pillows, the candles, the throw blankets. You copied ideas from Pinterest. You spent money trying to make it feel cozy. But when you walk through your front door after a long day, your body still feels tight. Your mind still feels heavy. And you realize you don't actually want to be here. And most people never figure out why. Stay until the end, because the last fix is the one that changes everything, and it has nothing to do with what you buy. Here's what's really happening. Your brain doesn't just see your home, it feels it. Every single thing around you is either telling your nervous system to relax or keeping it on edge. And right now, your space might be working against you in ways you've never noticed. Let me show you exactly what's stealing your peace and how to get it back without spending a fortune. The first reason is something you walk past every single day. Your lighting is lying to you. Most homes are lit like offices, not sanctuaries. Bright white bulbs overhead. Cool, harsh light bouncing off every surface. And your brain reads this as danger mode, not rest mode. That's not cozy, that's straight up cortisol. Warm, soft lighting tells your nervous system that you're safe, that you can finally let your guard down. Here's the thing. You don't need expensive fixtures. Just swap those cold bulbs for warm ones, the kind that glow like candlelight. Add a couple of table lamps. Turn off the overhead lights when the sun goes down. This one shift can lower your stress almost immediately, and it costs less than dinner out. If peaceful homes matter to you, hit subscribe. You're going to love what comes next. Now this next one is tricky because your home can look clean and still feel chaotic. It's called visual noise. Too many colors screaming at once. Too many patterns competing for attention. Knickknacks scattered everywhere with no purpose. Your eyes never rest, and neither does your mind. Even if the floor is spotless, your brain is working overtime trying to process everything it sees. That quiet hum of anxiety you feel when you walk in, that's why cozy homes give your eyes a place to land. That doesn't mean boring or empty, it means intentional. Group your favorite things together. Stick to a few colors that feel good. Hide the random stuff you don't actually use. Less visual chaos means more mental calm, and it doesn't cost you anything but 15 minutes. But here's what almost no one talks about, and it's the reason even beautiful homes can feel cold. Your space has no soul. It looks like a catalog, but it doesn't feel like you. No family photos, no travel souvenirs, no handmade pottery from that weekend trip. Just trendy decor that anyone could buy. And your brain knows the difference. Comfort doesn't come from perfection. It comes from meaning, from seeing pieces of your story reflected back at you. Ask yourself this. If a stranger walked into your home right now, would they know who you are? Would they see your memories, your personality, your life, or would they just see a Pinterest board? Because cozy isn't about looking good for other people. It's about feeling safe in your own space. Comment cozy if you want your home to feel more like you, not a showroom. And in a moment, I'm going to show you the texture mistake that's keeping your home from ever feeling warm. But first, let's talk about what's underneath all of this. Your furniture is in the wrong place. I know that sounds simple, but hear me out. Most people push everything against the walls, thinking it creates more space. But what it really creates is distance. Your couch is 10 feet from the coffee table. Your chairs face the TV instead of each other. There's no center, no pull, no reason to linger. Cozy spaces draw you in. They make you want to sit down and stay. Pull your furniture away from the walls just a little. Create a circle around something, a rug, a fireplace, even just a low table. Make it feel like a nest, not a waiting room. This shift changes how your whole body feels in the room, and it takes 5 minutes to try. Now here's the one that surprises people. Your home feels flat because there's no texture. Everything is smooth, hard, cold to the touch, and your body craves softness. It needs something to sink into, something that feels like comfort instead of just looks like it. Throw blankets, layered rugs, velvet pillows, linen curtains, wood instead of metal. These aren't just decorations. They're emotional cues that tell your nervous system it's okay to relax, and here's the secret. You don't need to redecorate everything. Just add one soft layer at a time. Drape a blanket over your couch. Swap out one hard pillow for a plush one. Your body will notice before your eyes do. This next fix is so simple that people skip it, and that's why their home never changes. You're ignoring your senses. Cozy isn't just what you see. It's what you smell, what you hear, what you feel in the air around you. A home with no scent feels sterile. A home with no sound feels empty. A home with stale air feels heavy. Add a candle with a smell that makes you feel at home. Play soft music or let the silence breathe naturally. Open a window. Bring in a plant or two, not just for looks, but because greenery actually lowers stress and cleans the air you're breathing every single day. These tiny sensory details make your brain say, "This place is alive and I belong here." And now, the uncomfortable truth most people resist. This is the one that really shifts everything. Your home doesn't support how you actually live. You designed it for some fantasy version of yourself. The person who hosts dinner parties every week. The person who reads in that chair you never sit in. The person who keeps fresh flowers on the counter. But that's not your real life. And every time you walk past a space you don't use, your brain feels the disconnect. Cozy happens when your home works with your routines, not against them. If you always eat on the couch, stop forcing a formal dining room. If you need a quiet corner to decompress, create it. If your mornings are rushed, set up your space so it helps instead of stresses you. Stop decorating for guests and start living for yourself. Your home should make your real life easier, softer, and better, not remind you of who you think you should be. That's the shift. That's what changes everything. So if your home still doesn't feel cozy, it's not because you're doing it wrong. It's because you were chasing the wrong thing. Cozy isn't about money. It's not about the latest trend. It's about creating a space where your nervous system can finally rest, where your brain says, "I'm safe here," where your body says, "I can let go, try one fix tonight, dim the lights, add a blanket, move your chair closer, and notice how it feels." Then come back and tell me which one surprised you most. Subscribe for more cozy home psychology. Your next video is going to change how your space feels. And remember, you don't need a new home. You just need to help your current one feel like yours.